Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, what's up? If you're not new to my channel, what's up? User Maddie, what's up? User Betty, what's up? And we is back here with another mother freaking video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, for one, how I got this makeup look, details on the lip, and details on these really cute lashes. And also make sure you go check out my previous video on this wig install and also the details on this Amazon wig that was only $60. Okay, girl? So make sure you go watch my previous video to get details on that. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on these lashes. Again, the brand, this is
It's Crater. I love you, Duane.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style.
Alright, y'all, so this is so cute, y'all. These lashes are so cute, and I want to get in on them. So this is in the style Isis. Let me just, let's see, there we go. So yeah, this is in the style Isis, and I'm gonna be doing I'm going to be putting on all these different lash styles today, y'all, because I have pictures to take. But again, first of all, I didn't even get into the intro. Okay, yeah, so the brand is by Shaigirlinc.com. And these, again, styles that I have on right now is on Isis. So you'll be seeing the details really on that. But yes, this is in the style Isis, and I believe she's rebranded right now, so I'm not sure if her website is up, but you can also check her out on Shaigirlinc on Instagram, and you will see all of this on the back of this box. But make sure you guys go check her out, because I know a lot of people have been asking me, and y'all ask me a lot, because I wear lashes a lot and I was selling lashes at the time, but I'm still in the process of rebranding myself, and you know, yeah, so all of my lashes that I did have were sold. They're all sold out, y'all. Bought them all up, and I thank y'all for that. Thank you guys so much. But people always ask, like, because I would have really dramatic long lashes, but I forgot how long mine was. They was either 15 mm or 25 mm. I forgot. But you guys will always ask me for long lashes, and I mean shorter lashes, and I'm just like, I don't have, you know, shorter lashes. So my friend also, she has a business as well, and she sells more of the natural looking lashes. I think she is starting to branch out too in some more of the dramatic looking lashes, but you guys will see, because I'm going to be showing you guys all her lash styles for today. And she didn't even ask me to do this, y'all. I'm just doing this because these ones are really just so freaking cute, and I'm just supposed to take pictures, but I said let me make a video so you guys can see them on in action. So yeah, like I said, let's just get right on into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life
right, so that was all the lashes. They were very, very cute. Some of the lashes I had to re-put back on and do over because I'm telling them all backwards. But those are the lashes. Details on the lip is my gloss, period, Get Dice. So I have the style Dial and Autumn on, and these are on clearance right now because I'm having a sale. I'm rebranding. This formula is good, but I found, well, I made one more formula that should be the last that I really, really like, and which is the formula of my lip plumpers, and I really, really like that. Sorry if y'all hear that because my mom just got home and my dog excited, so that's what that is. But my lip plumper formula is just to the T. Like, that's my girl, that's my shorty, that's my twat. And yeah, so these are on clearance right now. These colors, the 4 colors, which is Dice, Doll, Autumn, and Pink Serenity, those are definitely going to be signature colors. And then my next 4 lip plumpers that are going to be dropping soon, those are going to be signature colors as well. I'm gonna drift more towards, you know, like the lip plumping vibe, just because I just love lip plumpers. I always have. But yeah, that's too much info for too much girl. But yeah, so I have Dial and Serenity on. You guys see me up, no, that was in this video. Yeah, this video in the beginning, once you see how, what is this? I don't know which video gonna be which, because depending on how long everything is, things might be separate. I'm gonna try to put everything in this video of how I got this makeup look. Should be in this video. That should be in the beginning, so you'll see me applying these 2 lip glazes, lip glosses. I usually call my wand tube glazes and my squeeze tube glosses. So my lip glazes, and yeah, so all my lip glazes right now are on sale. They're very, 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 very cheap. They're on sale, so just go check them out. Just because I am trying to get rid of everything, all the old formulas, so that I can drop these new joints. So I want to get rid of, you know, the rest, because I have a good amount left, and I'm gonna get rid of that before I drop my new formula. But it just depends. But you know, I'm not sure when a new formula will drop. I want to do it next year, like the beginning of next year on Earth Day, but we gonna see when it's dropped. But don't forget to go check out her, again, like I said, I don't know if her site is up or not, I'm not sure, but still go check out Shaigirlinc.com. and if her site is, you know, not up right now because of rebranding, just go ahead to her Instagram, which is Shaigirlinc on Instagram. Make sure you guys go check her out. Her hair growth oils, y'all, is the bomb. She sells hair growth oils, lashes, beard oils for sure, if you know, you know, and body soaps and lotions and conditioner and shampoo. She sells a plethora of things that deal with hair care, so make sure you guys go ahead and check her out, and definitely go check out my website to get these guys, because they don't bomb, they the best. I don't just wear my stuff because it's my stuff. I wear because I actually like the formula. Like, I go for my products because I love them. Like, so just go make sure you check out both of our websites, both our Instagram. Again, her Instagram is Shaigirlinc and her website is shaigirlinc.com. My Instagram is my business Instagram is Getdiceed, _. That's with GETDICEED _. And then my website is getdice.com, which will be in the description box below. Everything will be in the description box below, so just go show love, like, period. And see you guys in, well, thank you for watching, for one. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so y'all can just get more interesting videos. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.